White lips, pale face, breathing in snowflakes, burnt lungs as I taste. Lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange.
Bitawan niyo ako sa amin!
Tuho kayo ngayon upang masaksihan ang isang paglilitis. Dahilan ng krimen ng isang pulubing, huling-huli namin. Si Mang Serapio! Isang at surugin! Dahil hindi mo alam sasaktan! Dahil hindi mo alam sasaktan! Dahil hindi mo agad! Ayan na pala!
Ang buhay ng tao ay lansangan ng hirap!
Ang mundo ay daigdig ng kiwat at dahan!
Ay! Ang pangit.
Pagsasala!
Kanya po talaga buhay!
Manananggol ang ng kalinisan ng federasyon.
Mga tagapagtaguyod ng kapitihang silipunan!
Kailan pa ba ang susunod na paglilitis?
Enero, Pebrero, Abril. Marso po, Marso! Marso pa!
Marso? Ilan nga ulit?
Strange men.
Marso pa!
They say she's in the class A team, stuck in her daydream, been this way since 18. It's too cold outside for angels to fly.
No, I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just
Angels to fly. Ripped gloves, raincoat, tried to swim, stay afloat.
Dahan-dahan. Ako lumingon.
Oh, shit.
Ganyan. Hindi ko kaya yun, loko.
Lagi pag gano'n, huwag kang lilingon.
Pagkatapos meron ako nakita ang babae. Nakagaling yung buhok niya. Paris ka ta! Mayroon kami. Alas 8. Punta ka doon. Mag-isa ka lang. Ha?
Di ba dito rin ako galing kanina?
They say she's in the class 18, stuck in her day. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking waste.
Con los terroristas. Con los terroristas.
Crumbling like pastries, and they scream the worst things in life.
Here I am waiting, I'll have to leave soon. Why am I holding on? We knew this day would come, we knew it all along. How did it come so fast? This is our last night, but it's late, and I'm trying not to sleep, 'cause I know when I wake I will have to slip away. And when the daylight comes I'll have to go, but tonight I'm gonna hold you so close, 'cause in the daylight we'll be on our own, but tonight I need to hold you so close. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh.
couple grams, but she don't wanna go out. Tonight, and in a pipe she flies to the motherland.
Ang bayan ko'y Pilipinas, utang at puso, sinakot sang todo-todo, sinakot sang todo-todo, sinakot sang todo-todo, sinakot sang tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi Pinoy dapat modernisado. Simulan sa paglikha at pagsasali ng mga termino, Pilipino'y dapat intelektualisado. Sana may pagpatuloy na maging wika ng komersyo, industriya, edukasyon, kultura, politika ang Pilipino-Pino. Lengguwahe ng pag-unlad at pagbabago, ni patrocinio, ni Villaferte.
Sells love to another man.
Nag-iisa na lang ako.
Gamit natin yan, ako na. Gamit natin yan.
Pauwi ninyo ang pulsaran ako. Tumayo! Tayo! Wow! Ito, hawakan mo! Yan! Tigas! Eh, di ba ang kanya natay? Bakit ang palasan? Bossing! Macho mo daw, bossing!
Mga walay utang, kaputan!
Boss! Ang bastos! Wala akong sapin!
Dahil na pumalis sa musika, hanggang kailan titisan ang hapis na
Babalik ako sa bayang ito.
nagsama-sama kaming tatahak sa taang pag-uwi. Assalamualaikum!
Angel will die, covered in white, closed eyes, hoping for a better life. This time we'll fade out tonight, straight down the line. They say she's in the class A team, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. They scream the worst things in life come free to us, and we're all under the upper hand. Go mad for a couple grams. We don't wanna go outside tonight. In the pipe, fly to the motherland, or sell love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly. Angels to fly. To fly, angels to die. Under the upper hand, go mad for a couple grams. We don't wanna go outside tonight. In the pipe, fly to the motherland, or sell love to another man. It's too cold.